Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a quick little tutorial on the basic software for these LED cubes, the DIY kits. They're available from LEDs Are Cool, and today we'll be covering the points as follows. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you're going to want to load the cube software. I've already downloaded the file. The link is in the description. And so you can open the software, and you're going to want to connect your cube to your computer. You'll have to go to comms and scan ports, and your cube should be recognized by the computer at that point, and it should load the default pattern onto the cube. So next, what we're going to want to do is simply switch the cube into real-time mode. So how would we do that, Trevor?
So we would switch the cube into real-time mode by going up to this comms tab at the top, and we're going to go down until we find real-time mode. It's right at the bottom. You select on it, and there it goes. It's in real-time mode. Now, what real-time mode does, it allows you to stream your patterns live onto your cube. So what you can do, you can just go ahead and down here in this little box down here with all these little dots, this is how you make your patterns and how you do real-time mode. You click on each LED to light it up, and then you click on it again to shut it off.
All right. So walk us through a simple, maybe 2-layer pattern that would jump back and forth, just so people know kind of how the program itself works.
So how you'd make a real simple program or animation is what you'd want to do. You got layers. The cube works in 5 layers. It says only 4, but you're counting 0, so there's 5. That might be a little confusing for some. But yeah, how you do it is we're going to go down here, and we're going to go down to the frames box. We're going to go ahead and enter 4 frames here, which equals 5 frames, because you got to go down to the 0 frame here. And now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and light up this bottom layer here. And what we're going to do, we're going to make a zigzag effect. So we're going to go down 1 layer here, and yeah, we're going to go light up the other one, but we're going to switch frames, so now it's different. And now we're going to go to the next one here, and we're just going to do the same thing, next frame, and then we're going to go back up to the top layer and go up here, and we're going to go next frame, and then now we're going to go drop a layer, and we're going to light up this one, this row, and you just keep doing the same thing. Now by the time you're at the 5th frame, you're going to have them all done.
Alright, so now that we basically have our LED layout, how would you play that on the cube itself? And how might you exit real-time mode and just send that pattern to the cube to play?
Now what you can do, how to play it, is you go down here and you click the play button. So it's pretty simple. As you can see in the video, that the cube's actually moving. So, well, say the animation is moving too fast. Well, how would I slow it down? It's very simple. What you do is under this delay box right here, you just want to go ahead and type in maybe, I don't know, 30 to slow it down. Then what you're going to do, you're going to select set all. And then you go ahead and play it again, and it slows it down.
Alright, so now that we've covered how to build a basic pattern, how would you exit the real-time mode and send that pattern to the cube so that you could just display it on your desk or something like that?
Now what you would want to do to take it out of real-time mode and just send it to the cube so it's uploaded. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and stop your program. And yeah, now what we're going to go back up to our comms tab here, and we're going to go ahead and click on our real-time tab here and turn it off. And there it is. And now what we're going to do, after you build your animation and you're fine with it, what you want to do, this top button that says send, you just want to click on it. And say, oh, what's that? Well, that's multiplexing. What you got to do, how to fix that problem, is your refresh rate here. Usually it fixes it if you type in 10, 25, whatever, what a cube works for you. You might have to play with it a little bit. But yeah, after you type that in there and set all, you're just going to click send, and it should do the trick.
So as soon as you send that, then it starts playing the pattern there. And we can now exit out of the program, and that cube will retain that pattern. So This has been a basic tutorial on the Cube software, just kind of a startup on how to use the software and the Cube itself. We hope you like it.